You can use the SACHS organization strategy to get your bedroom organized too. Start by sorting the good from the bad. In this case, the bad can be anything that is broken or missing pieces, clothes that don't fit or that you don't wear anymore, anything you don't need or use. Once you've sorted out the things you are going to keep, arrange them into groups. It's helpful to think of your room as an area made up of distinct spaces. For example, you might have spaces for sleeping, working, hanging out, and hobbies. Once you've figured those out, you can think about what types of containers you need to arrange different kinds of stuff. Before you put anything in its place, clean the space. Dust, mop, vacuum, wipe, whatever you need to do to get it clean. Now that your room is clean and organized, make it a habit to keep it that way. When you go into your room to do something, put your stuff back where it belongs before you leave the room. Maybe post a reminder by your light switch. Add it to your checklist too. That way you can at least make sure it gets done before you go to bed at night. It seriously only takes a minute or two. It's better than spending a whole weekend cleaning your room. Then, sustain, sustain, sustain. Keep it up. When it comes to your bedroom, we're talking about a lot more stuff than anything else we've organized so far. Check out the Resources tab for more bedroom organization tips.